Let's start the word meaning first. See, age combine, nursery maid, moms, refurnishing, home lesson. You'll get all word meaning here from page 1. Then page number 1, you'll find some short question with answer. Page number 2, you'll find here some short question also with answer. Then see the page 3. Here also you'll get some short question with answer. It will be helpful to write semi-broad question. These are the points. Page 3. This is one of the explanation. It's very important to understand. All the news are people who were in the tender were broken into bits. Means that the toy figures or perhaps small models of people and animals representing Noah's Ark, which were stored in the tender like a part of the toy train or separate toy carriage, were completely shattered or destroyed. The context suggests this happened after the engine suddenly went off with a bang, implying some kind of malfunction or accident with a toy engine. These people are not real people, but rather figures that were part of a toy set. It is a part of a toy set. The engine suddenly went off with a bang. This is page number, the summary of the chapter. Summary, first page, summary of the first page, chapter 1. If you read the book line after line, then you read this summary, page summary, you will be cleared. This is page 3. Peter's new model engine, which he loved so much, broke after just 3 days. The loud noise scared their dog James, and the news arc toys were also broken. Peter was very upset but pretended his red eyes were from a cold. See, this one, I think it will be helpful for you. A big pigeon pie. Mother kindly asked the cook to make one and even made up a little poem about Peter to cheer him up while he waited. This is explanation and short question, page 1 to 3. Okay, that's all today.